Hi, Robinson Crusoe here. I'm a technician at Bravo Motors Belmopan, and today we're going to be discussing the importance of getting a wheel alignment done. How do you know when you need a wheel alignment? When you're driving your car, if your steering wheel's off center, if the vehicle's pulling to either side, or if you have uneven tire wear, those are all great signs that you are in fact in need of a wheel alignment. Why are alignments important? They're going to help your car to drive straight, it's going to improve handling, and most importantly, it'll extend the life of your tires, which is going to save you money in the long run. How often should you do a wheel alignment? It is recommended to be done at least once a year if you ever hit a really big pothole or after replacing any kind of suspension parts on the front end of your vehicle. So if your vehicle isn't driving the way it should, visit us at Bravo Motors Belmopan, where we offer professional wheel alignment services for just $85. We'll get you back on the road perfectly aligned.